I was sent this wire stripper from a company called Haisstronica and asking my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. This is what's going to get sent to you. Comes in a nice package with explanation of how to use the tool described here on the back. It's going to talk about the adjustments you can do to adjust for different kinds of wire. Now these tools are really remarkable. You've got a couple things going on here. You've got a cutter here for cutting wire. You've got some crimpers here for doing some different styles of crimps. And then you've got the stripper, and this is really the most impressive part of it all. Let's show you what I mean. Say I've got this wire and I've got to put some different ends on it here. So first I want to do is I just want to cut off this other lead here. So I can just put that into that blade part there, squeeze that, and I can just cut that right off ever so easily. Nice sharp blade that they've got in there. And that blade is removable. It can be replaced. There's a screw here that you can take that out if you needed to. But now I need to strip this back, and I've got the wire inside the insulation there, and it's a pain to get that stripped off cleanly. This just does it in one bite. Show you how that works. Just going to take the wire, set it in here like this, and then you can adjust this if you want to adjust for the length so that you can keep all of your cuts consistent. So say I'm going to do one about this much distance here. I measure it to that. I just go ahead and set it in like this, grab down and pull. And look at that. It's a perfect strip every time. Pulls off the insulation, doesn't leave any wires in the insulation. All the wires are still here. It hasn't hurt any of them. And I've got a perfect strip here with this tool every time. And then to do that again, just so you know that it's not a fluke, can go ahead and cut this piece off here. We've got the white. I'm going to go cut it to the same length. Just going to put it in there and just squeeze. We pull that right off every time. It just does such a great job. If you don't have one of these things in your toolkit yet and you're doing anything with electrical, you have got to get one of these. It is the best thing going. I really love this tool. It's very lightweight, easy to use. Just slide that into your toolbox. The whole head here is made out of metal all the way around this and throughout the frame here, with some plastic covers here and plastic covers on the back. But overall, very durable tool and one that you're going to be proud to use. Hope that helps. Have a great day.